Hi everyone. So today I have come up with few lines said by famous poet Mirza Ghalib ji, and it's like कुछ इस तरह से मैंने ज़िंदगी को आसान कर लिया, कुछ इस तरह से मैंने ज़िंदगी को आसान कर लिया, किसी से माफ़ी मांग ली, किसी को माफ़ कर दिया, किसी से माफ़ी मांग ली, किसी को माफ़ कर दिया. So true, so relevant. This talks so much about the importance of forgiveness for your own self. It brings peace and joy to self, as forgiveness is never about giving something to someone else. It's a gift to self. How? Many a time in our life we feel rejected, dejected, abandoned by our own people, which leaves us wondering, what have I done to an extent that that particular person is not there in my life? But then at some point we have also left people wondering that what they have done, that we are not talking to them or we are not in their life. So it's always two-way process. If you don't believe that, check your blocking list, right? You will find many of your own people there. So, what is this all happening? Why this happen? Many a time, people are at different pages and stages of their life. And when somebody leaves our life, stops talking to us, abandons us, or is not in touch with us anymore, we question our own self, and many a time it shakes your self-esteem. But then when you think about your own behavior, when you have left a particular person, then you would realize that it was not because of that particular person, because you were incapable of handling that particular situation, that you chose peace than togetherness. So it was not about that particular person. That particular person is still the same today also. But if you are able to forgive that particular person, it means you have risen in knowledge, in understanding, and you have been able to understand that that particular time you were not well equipped to handle that particular situation. But today you are. So that particular person is the same. Similarly, the people who left you for their good, there was nothing wrong about you. You're absolutely the same as you were. But that particular person, out of his own knowledge or out of her own knowledge, couldn't know how to handle that particular synchronity between you and her or you and him. So instead of solving and finding out the solution, that particular which solution is not there that time, so that person chose peace over togetherness. So in most of the situation, a person's behavior is not about you. It's more they reveal about them than it says about you. So it's about revealing their own self. Sometimes the situation, they are into it, they are into their own problems, and you take it personally. Oh, I have been left, I have been down. No, it's not about you. It's about them. So at that particular time, forgiveness is the biggest peacemaker. And first of all, we should forgive those people whom we feel that should have been into our life, but they are not in touch with us anymore, because they are occupied in something bigger, right? So we must give them space. So let's forgive them, and let's forgive our own self for devaluing ourselves, for thinking thinking low about self, right? And let's ask for forgiveness to those people whom we left, because we were looking into some other direction and they felt hurt, they felt left about. It was not about them, because somewhere we were occupied that we couldn't pay much attention to them. So let's ask forgiveness from them. Let's forgive our own self that we couldn't handle the situation as per that person's expectation, because we were not well equipped. There was nothing wrong with that particular person. So let's ask for forgiveness. Let's forgive our own self for leaving that particular person because we were in lesser knowledge. And let's forgive those people whom we think that those who have abandoned us, supposedly. So let's make the life easier by a simple word, forgiveness, because it makes your own life easy. कुछ इस तरह से जिंदगी को आसान कर लिया, किसी से माफ़ी मांग ली, किसी को माफ़ कर दिया. It's not about you, it's about them. So give space. Time is a big healer. Thank you. Bye-bye.